Ooh, I don't like that. I know. We're going. Oh, me. Okay, good luck. So we come down to a lot of hotspot areas that either parks employees call us to, citizens call us to, or just areas that we've found ourselves where we know people frequently camp. So it's our job to come check on the situation, the status of some of these spots. Huh. Oh, the rooftop. Hey, Bob! Hillsboro Police! Bob! Is that you? Where's your dog at? Can you come outside of the tent so we can chat with you?
Leave the dog.
Leave the dog? Thanks. Is there a code compliance unit available to join us? You got a warrant right now. Failure to appear for a meth charge. It's super hard to understand you, Bob. Oh, dog's out. Bob, I said leave the dog. Leave him in there.
Control of your dog. If it comes at us aggressively, it's gonna get tased.
Can you just bring her and then we'll tie her to this tree over here? Him? Bob, what happened with the dog bite situation? Was it because of another dog or just a person?
No, he kicked him.
Oh, okay.
Kicked him and I got charged.
Okay.
Shit.
That's the only reason we're a little nervous.
I'm taking you to court, mother.
Okay. All right, Bob. Can you walk your dog out without, like, it lunging at us or anything?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, we're walking out right now, and we're bringing Bob and the dog. He's got the dog right now, so far, so good. Bob, walk your dog. I said walk your dog. I know, I told you, don't forget the date. Right here. All right, walk up to you. Perfect. Got it. So, as a part of the bike team and the community impact team, which was my partner, Officer Delapine, it's our job to check a lot of those frequent areas where people are camping. During a check today of Rude Bridge Park, we came across a gentleman. His name's Bob Forney. We know him pretty well just from past experiences, connecting him to services, trying to get him on the right path. So oftentimes we come to these areas to check on people and check the status of how their housing situation is going. Well, today Bob had a warrant for his arrest. He failed to appear from a past charge. So we had to take Bob into custody for the warrant where he'll be lodged at the Washington County Jail. The only hiccup with today was Bob had his dog with him, and from a past incident, the dog had been aggressive. So that was our only worry in the situation, but everything was pretty easy going, went smoothly, and now we're on to check a next hotspot area. I thought they were going to get rid of daylight savings anyways.
They talk about it all the time, and then it never happens.
Okay.
We're going to go across the log. Oh, there's a giant camp over there.
That's Michael David Phillips. The water's not that high today. To trust the log or to trust the jump? Patrick, get it. Ooh.
Ooh, that is slick.
Oh. Oh my God. Ah.
That part's slick, but the that rough part is
Oh, I'm
super
so
jagged.
nervous.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Get on the traction. There you go. You'll be good there. And then just jump from there. Nice.
Oh, that looks sketch. I have the most slick sneakers on. Oh, this is okay, we're gonna go. Oh. Oh. Michael, you inside? No. Okay, well, we're going the way we came. This tiny river we're crossing. Not even a creek, not even a river. Okay, the problem is now, how do I get to that spot? Ooh, I don't like that. I know. We're going. Oh, f me. Oh. Okay, good luck. That is one. Oh my God, careful. That's one soggy foot. There you go. She always chooses like the longest way. Oh!
Okay.
Nice.
Nice, nice.
Do it. Did it see you too?
I fell in a crick.
You did.
Verbal. Hey, Verbal. You doing okay?
Ooh, I like the scent of your candle.
See you, Verbal. The gentleman we walked by in the gazebo has a warrant for his arrest. His name is Verbal Courtney. 1822. Can you show me out with 1898? Was this a new one? Oh yeah, so new.
He has a warrant. I don't know, it's a felony warrant for something, so under arrest. Okay. Make sure you don't fall and you get your Crocs on.
There you go. Do you want a licorice? Where are you pointing at?
No.
Oh, 1822. We're 1015.
Is there anything on your verbal?
No.
Yeah, we'll get it. If you want to grab it, throw it back.
Okay.
Or Adam, you can wear it.
Mmm.
There you go.
So lovely. Ew.
It's my gift to you.
Yeah. Hello? Hillsboro Police? Nicholas, you back here? Hello? I think it might be empty. It's open from the front. All good. Hey, man. How's it going? Huh? Oh, I haven't seen you in so long. How long have you been out?
Like a week.
A week? All right. How you been doing?
A lot better now.
Yeah. I was gonna say, can you be honest with me and tell me what you were smoking over here? You're smoking weed?
I wasn't.
Okay. One, there's no smoking weed in public. But two, this is a park, which makes it extra bad because we got kids and stuff around here. So just want to be mindful, okay? I get you don't necessarily have a place in private to smoke, but just not by the kids, okay? All right. Thanks, Kyle.
Thank you, Anderson.
See ya. We got a cameraman now. It's like you're on Cops.
Hello.
Francisco. Hola. Bien, ¿y tú? Why are you in the park? That's the park. No. No. Oh my. I don't know what you said. Oh, I did. He's sitting on the electrical box. I said you can't be there.
Ni se puede sentar en esa cosa ahí. Tampoco.
See?
Well, I was leaving anyways.
I know, but you can't be there. Okay.